Today on Explained, we're going to talk about our universal heavy-duty Centurion housing and axle kit. Hey guys, I'm John for Currie Enterprises, and today I want to talk about our universal Centurion housing and axle kit. It's called the Centurion because that is actually what we call this housing center. So the housing center here is what we consider our standard across the board for all muscle cars and hot rods. This is going to be what we use at Currie for all of our crate rear ends as well. It's got what some people call a big web type of look to it. And the reason for that is because these 3-inch diameter tubes actually press into the housing center, giving you tube engagement on each side. And then it also gets welded on the inside and on the outside. So this is going to be a great package for you if you're going to be building a higher horsepower car or a pickup truck or C10. This might be the one to look at. Now, we make these universal kits in specific widths. They're available from 58 all the way up to 62 inches from wheel mount to wheel mount once the axles are installed, and are going to be available in inch increments in between. So 58, 59, 60, 61, and 62. Now, we build these pinion centered. What does that mean? Basically, when it's installed, the drive shaft is going to be right down the middle of the car. Now that's pretty standard for a lot of muscle cars and hot rods. If you have any questions, give us a call. We'll help you out with that. Included in the kit are going to come either 31 or 35 spline axles. You choose. The 31 spline and 35 spline axles both have options for bolt patterns. We have a dual drilled 5 on 4.5, 5 on 4 3/4 pattern axle shaft. That's going to be your typical Ford, Chevy muscle car stuff. And then we also have an option for a 5 on 5 bolt pattern. Now, included in the kit, you're also going to get wheel studs. The 4.5, 4 3/4 dual drilled kit is going to come with both 7/16 and 1/2 inch thread pitch wheel studs so that you can install which is best for your application. On the 5 on 5, we're going to include just the 1/2 inch studs. That's going to be common for all of your C10 and Chevy truck guys. On the axle shaft, we go ahead and press on and install a set 20 bearing that's going to be already on the shaft ready to go, guys. So there's no need to take it to a shop and have it pressed on. It's already done for you. Also, included in the kit is our retainer plate. This is the axle retainer plate that holds in the axle to the housing. It's slotted so that you can use it or remove it easily without having to waste a bearing. The reason why we do that is there are typical brake kits that are available on the market today that may not require this. Some brake kits have a special retainer plate or it's already built into the bracketry so that you can easily remove this. When installed, the axle offset is going to be 2.5 inches and the bearing ends are big bearing Torino or new style housing ends. There's brake kits available for this from Currie and other brake manufacturers. On the housing, we're going to go ahead and install a vent for you. Just want to press on a 3/8 hose and just plumb this to where is convenient for your application. And then also on the bottom, we go ahead and install a drain plug. So this is going to be very easy to maintain. I hope that goes over the options for our universal Centurion housing and axle packages. If you have any further questions, please feel free to give us a call, send us an email, or leave a comment below. If you like this video, subscribe here. For more Currie tech videos, click right here. And for other Currie content, click right here. Thanks for watching, guys.